What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. Guys, what we're going to do today, we are going to go over next week's game plan. Guys, before we do that, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get that notification. Before we jump into this, I just want to give thanks to the Lord, our Savior, Jesus Christ, for allowing me to wake up this morning, to be able to breathe air, to be able to do what I'm doing, to be able to give out information, give out content to help you along your journey, and to be able to just simply wake up and see another day. Guys, with all the craziness that's going on out there in the world, you got airplane crashes, you got helicopter crashes, you got mass shootings, all this stuff that's happening, and he allowed me to see another day. I'm most thankful for that. Guys, if you got something to be thankful for, let me know in the comments below. Simple, amen. Guys, let's go ahead and jump into it. Newbies, beginners, I got a big one for you guys. This is going to be a good week for you that don't have that money to spend on Tesla and all these big name companies. These are some plays that you can get into this week because they're going to show some volatility. Unlike last week, it was a crazy week. We had the big boys reporting. This week, we got a lot of our favorites that's reporting. So you should see some movement throughout the week, and it shouldn't be as violent with the pump ups and the pump downs that last week gave us. Guys, let's go ahead and get into it. Let's see what the earnings look like for next week. Monday at the closing, guys, we got Palantir. Make sure you paying attention. If you're thinking about swinging, make sure you understand the assignment. Make sure you know what that IV crush is going to look like on the other side. Consider taking profits if you up. If not, you know what to expect afterwards. On Tuesday, we got a couple things. We got our favorite AMD after closing. We got Alphabet, Google after closing. You got a low end cap ticker, Snapchat. That's after closing. We got another fan favorite, ENPH. You know what that one can do. That one can make us some good money. Wednesday, we got ARM. That's another one that we pay attention to and we make money on. You got Thursday, you got Lilly. Before opening, we got another one of our favorites, RBLX. That's before Thursday. Guys, throughout the week, I will be letting you know what's going on with these tickers. I'll be letting you know what I think that they're going to do. Thursday at closing, you got Amazon, you got Affirm. Man, this is going to be a fun week for you guys. Again, like I said, that don't have that capital to get into Tesla. This is going to give you a little different ride without killing your portfolio, and you can still make good money. Let's go ahead and jump into the first one. We'll cover the first couple that's going to be going down Monday, Tuesday. So first one up is AMD. They report Tuesday at closing. What you want to see with them, they're sitting at 115.90. We want to see them open somewhere around 116.45. They can do that and start building some momentum. You got this area up in here, 1730. Next level up, you got this stuff in here at 118.20, and they break through that. They're going to try to boom this thing back up to 119.50 before they try to go higher. On the downside, you want to see them open up under 115.30. They start doing that, they're going to try to bring this thing back down. You got 115 even. They lose that. Boom, you got 113.75, and they might try to start selling off right before earnings, 112.75. So there you go in AMD. Next ticker up, we're going to throw, of course, a favorite on the low end right here. Man, we've been following this ticker since it was, what, 20 something bucks in the teens. 18, 17 bucks. You look where they're sitting. This is crazy. They ran it up 85.20, and then they started their downhill trend to the downside. What you want to see them do, they're sitting at 82.50. You want to see them open somewhere around 82 even. If they can do that, next level down is 81.40. Next level after that is at 80.20. They start losing that right there, they may have that rundown, because we know Wall Street tries to play that game before they report. You got 79.30 on deck, as low as 77.80. They might try to pull that thing back. On the upside, you want to see these guys open somewhere around in here, 83.10. If they can do that, next level up is going to be 83.70, and then boom, you got 84.60. Next level up is 85.25. If they report a decent earnings and Wall Street get behind this, guys, do not rule out them popping this thing up 93, 95 en route to end in the week or trying to bust through that $100 mark. So this is something for you to pay attention to. If you see these areas of interest get taken out, you already know what to do. Next ticker up is going to be another one. This one, man, this one moves up and down all through the week. You can definitely make money in this one. ENPH, they're sitting at 62.25. We have seen this one boom up here, 65. We've seen them pop this thing even higher. So on the downside, you want to see them open somewhere around 61.70. If they can do that to the downside, you got next level down 60.90. Next level after that is going to be this stuff down here at 59.70. We'll handle in real time once they start breaking through that to the upside. What you want to see is this stuff right in here at 62.80 get taken out. They can take out that. You got 63.10 on deck. Next level up, you got 63.40, and then boom, you got 64. Next level after that, this little turbulence in here at 64.30 en route to popping it back to 65.10. This one could get going if they report good as well. They can boom this thing up to 80 bucks on that one. This one could get rolling. I'm going to definitely have my eye on that one. And last but not least, for newbies, beginners, we got RBLX. We've been killing this play. This play has been making us money for a while now. They're sitting at 71.10. If you are a bull, you want to see them open up at 71.25. They can do that right there. Next level up is going to be 71.40 and routes to 71.90, trying to break that right there. They break that, they going for another new high. So we'll be paying attention to that one right there. But guys, don't get it twisted with RBLX. We know how every time they find a new high, they try to boom that thing right back down. They try to drop it another $2 before they run that thing back up. And as you can see the roller coaster ride. We went up, we found a high, we came back down, we went back up, and we boom, ran it right back down. As you see, you got almost 72 bucks right here. What did they do? They ran it down almost $2. So this one is one that you can make money going both ways, but pay attention to it. And once they hit those high, scale down some profits because they're going to try to swing it back down a couple dollars. But this one is another one. If they report a good earnings, man, they could really boom this thing. So big baller shot callers, where y'all at? Y'all come on up. I got one for you guys. They report Tuesday at closing. We have ticker symbol GOOGL, aka Alphabet. They sitting at 204 even. If you are bored, you want to see 204.60 get taken out. Next level up, they're going to boom it to 205.50 and routes to 206 and higher. If they get going, they have a good earnings, they can boom this thing really high as well. To the downside, you want to see them open at 203.40. They can do that. You got another area of interest right here at 202.90. They lose that right there. Boom, you coming back down to 201.40. Next level down is going to be 200.35 and routes to 198.50, and then boom, 197.75. So there you go in that one. Next ticker up is LLY. They report Thursday at closing. If you following this one right here, they are sitting at 8.11.20. If you are a bear and you following the downside, you want to see them open lower than 8.10.45. They can do that. Next level down is going to be 8.07.70. Then you got 8.04.30, and then boom, you got 8.01.90. To the upside, you want to see these guys get back to this level right here, 8.13.60. If they can do that, you got this area in here, 8.16.60, and then boom, you got 8.19.20. Next level up, 8.22.10, and they're going to run this thing 8.27 and routes to 8.30. They have a good one. Man, don't rule out 8.50 through 8.75. Last but not least, because everybody is following this one right here, you got Tesla. Man, Tesla, my opinion, Tesla has been struggling to break through this 420.10 area. And guys that rock with me, you know I put out the zones. We know from 415.20, as long as they close candles above, the next level up, they're going to try to shoot it to 420.20. If they can't get past that, they're going to try to come back down to 415.20 en routes to 411.20. It gets bearish under 411.20 and they start shooting a shot back down to the 400 mark, as well as the opposite, 415.20. They holding above, they shooting a shot to 420.20. They start closing above that. Your next level up is going to be 425.90. But guys, they were struggling to break 420. So guys, I called it out a couple days ago. They had their earnings and I seen them go as low as 369 as what I was paying attention to. Don't rule out a trip back down there because they have been getting smacked here. They made that double top and they came all the way back down. Don't rule out a 390 trip again. And once they get some speed, they can boom this thing back down. We're looking at 373 en routes to coming back down. We'll handle in real time once they start taking out those areas. So just be cautious in this, guys. If you plan these, just have your stop loss set. Know what you trying to do when you get in these plays, aka have a plan. So another thing that I want to bring up, that all the talk with, you know, what Trump trying to do, we got a new administration in there. You got to expect, you know, them to come in to make some changes, regardless what those changes is. You got to expect it. But regardless what kind of changes that they throw out there, regardless if it's tariffs or whatever they trying to put out, that we think that the market is going to drop or it's going to make it booming. None of that means none. It's noise. It's news. Yeah, we pay attention to news, but even more, we pay attention to the charts. We follow what the charts is suggesting, period. Price action is everything. So just you have a plan, know what you want to do when things go left. You already know, regardless what the play is doing. If you rocking with me in the Discord, you know I'm throwing out plays. I'm letting you know, hey guys, once the bulls get to this area right here, they can boom this thing to this area. And I'm letting you know to the downside, hey, if bears get to this point and start closing candles, they're going to have their sights set on this particular area right here. Guys, I'm doing that. That way you can protect your coins, but you have to be the ultimate protector of your portfolio. Set the darn stop loss. Guys that's watching, that's not in the Discord, make sure you get in the Discord. That way you got access to my full list of call outs as well as technical analysis breakdown on the top plays throughout the session. So guys, I done took enough of your time, but hey, if you like sniper tight, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, HOTTT, HOOD, Nike, go ahead and tap into the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get that notification. And as always, we grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it.